Imagine earning $100,000 per year and losing nearly half to taxes. But what if I told you that you could legally keep 100% of your income while working remotely? Welcome to the world of tax-free digital nomad living. In this video, we'll reveal the best tax-free and low-tax countries that remote workers can move to. Most digital nomads assume that taxes follow them everywhere. That's not true. Tax residency is based on where you live, not where you were born. Many countries are offering tax-free or low-tax visas to attract remote workers. Now, let's take a look at the top 3 tax-free havens for digital nomads. These countries have 0% personal income tax, letting you maximize your earnings while enjoying a luxury lifestyle. First up, Dubai, UAE. Dubai is the ultimate business hub with a stunning skyline and one of the fastest internet speeds in the world, 180 Mbps. It has 0% personal income tax and offers long-term renewable residency. However, there is a 9% corporate tax for businesses earning over €100,000. To live here as a remote worker, you'll need to show proof of at least €4,000 per month in income. But keep in mind that Dubai is known for luxury living with an average monthly cost of €3,500. Next, we have the Bahamas. If you're dreaming of a tax-free island lifestyle, the Bahamas is an amazing choice. It offers 0% income tax and a renewable remote work visa, allowing you to stay indefinitely as long as you maintain the visa requirements. The internet speed is around 75 Mbps, which is good but can vary depending on the island. You'll need €3,000 per month in income to qualify for the digital nomad visa. The cost of living averages around €2,800 a month, with higher expenses for imported goods. But for those who love warm weather and clear blue waters, it's a dream come true. Lastly, the ultra-luxurious Monaco. Monaco is known for being a tax-free haven for the wealthy. It offers 0% personal income tax, but obtaining residency isn't as easy as in other places. You need to deposit at least €500,000 in a Monaco bank to get residency, and the cost of living is one of the highest in the world at €6,000 per month. However, you'll enjoy super-fast 95 Mbps internet, world-class healthcare, and a stunning location on the French Riviera. If you have the financial means, Monaco offers a safe, luxurious, and tax-free lifestyle. So, which tax-free country fits your lifestyle? If you want business opportunities and top-tier infrastructure, Dubai is the way to go. If you prefer an island paradise with no taxes, the Bahamas is your best choice. And if you're looking for luxury and exclusivity, Monaco is unbeatable. But wait, there's more. Up next, we'll explore some of the best low-tax options for digital nomads who don't mind paying a little but want to keep taxes minimal. Let's go. So, what if you don't qualify for a 100% tax-free country? No worries. There are still some amazing options where you can pay very little tax while enjoying a digital nomad-friendly visa. Let's take a look at 3 of the best low-tax countries for remote workers in 2025: Portugal, Panama, and Thailand. First up, we have Portugal. Portugal offers a 10% flat tax for 10 years under the non-habitual resident NHR scheme. This is perfect for digital nomads who want to enjoy European residency without heavy taxes. With high-speed 150 Mbps internet, an affordable cost of living at $1,500 a month, and a residency visa that requires just $3,040 a month in income, Portugal is a top pick for remote workers. Plus, you get easy access to the entire EU. Next, let's head to Panama. Panama is a hidden gem for tax-conscious nomads. It offers 0% tax on foreign income, meaning if you earn outside the country, you pay nothing in taxes. The Friendly Nations visa allows easy residency if you earn at least €2,000 a month. Living costs are around €1,000 to €1,800 per month, and with 120 Mbps internet, Panama offers a strong business-friendly environment with world-class banking. Finally, let's talk about Thailand. Thailand is a dream destination for digital nomads. While it's not tax-free, the new LTR long-term residency visa offers a 15% flat tax rate, which is much lower than many Western countries. To qualify, you need to earn 5,800 euros a month or 80,000 euro per year. But the real advantage? Thailand has a low cost of living, just 1,200 euros per month, making it one of the most affordable places to live and work remotely. Plus, with fast 100 Mbps internet and world-class healthcare, it's a great spot for long-term remote work. So, which low-tax country fits your needs? If you want EU access and a tax break, Portugal is the way to go. If you want to pay zero tax on foreign income, Panama is your best bet. And if you're looking for affordability with great healthcare, Thailand is unbeatable. But how do you actually move to these countries and legally reduce your tax burden? Here's how you can legally become a tax-free digital nomad in 5 easy steps. Step 1, choose a tax-friendly country. Step 2, apply for a digital nomad visa. Step 3, sever tax residency with your home country. Step 4, open an international bank account. Step 5, set up an offshore business, if needed. Why give away half your income to taxes when you can legally keep more of your money? If you want to know more about low tax and tax-free countries, make sure to like and subscribe for more expert insights. Need a personalized tax consultation? Contact our expert team and optimize your finances today.